Morning guys, we are in Wineglass Bay. Just woke up from our Airbnb. At the back there you can see that's Mt Amos off the Freycinet National Park, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna explore the Freycinet National Park. Whew, it's a good morning, bit cold, but what an awesome view from our Airbnb. So we're ready to go. We're gonna go get some breakfast, get some shopping done for tonight's dinner. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do today. Definitely Wineglass Bay and maybe Mt Amos, but you know, just take it easy, see the sights. Amazing day, amazing weather, a little bit cold though, but yeah. Made it to the top. This is Mt Amos. We gotta go up through some horrendous kind of steps, to be honest, and my shoes were pretty slippery. But that view's amazing, guys. That view's amazing. There's a path and it's just how was it?
It was good, it was scary.
Yeah, it was a little bit scary.
Hey Ariel, how was it?
It was very tough.
Okay.
Very tougher.
Very tough. She said very tough.
We made it down safely with all of that steep hill and everything. Somehow that ice cream man is also nice enough to become the visitor center, a better visitor center, and he led us to this kind of a cool place just off Cape Tourville. He told us that you'll see some whales, but I don't know what our luck is like.